Today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right, you're looking at one of our new Undercounter refrigerator units. This is going to be a 60-inch. Okay, this is an all stainless steel unit. Very good quality brand on the unit. This is our own company brand, Cooler Depot. Now, before we get started on more, I want to start off with exterior measurements. I'm also going to measure the inside for you. Now, starting with the length, as we mentioned here, you're looking at a total of 60 inches. 60. Front to back, we're looking at a total of 29.5 inches. And the overall height for this unit, you're looking at 35.5 inches high. Okay, the unit does have casters already installed, so it makes it easier for use. Okay, so now let's go ahead and show you the inside. We'll open up these doors. You have two doors for the unit. And you will be able to see that it does have shelves on the inside. We have one shelf for each door or each side. You also have a thermometer on the inside for this unit. And on the other side of this unit, you will be able to locate stickers that will show certification, circuit diagram, and all the specs regarding this unit. Okay, so that will all be located on the inside. And you also will be provided with a manual. Okay, inside measurements. Front to back, you're looking at a total of 17.5 inches. Overall length, you're looking at a total of 55.5 inches. And the overall height on the inside, we're looking at a total of 23 inches high. Okay, so those are your inside measurements for this unit. Now, lastly, before we go here, I want to go ahead and show you the back of the unit. And on the back, we'll be able to locate our plug. It is a standard US plug. Also, we have our temperature control on the back of the unit. This is where temperature will be displayed once the unit is on and running. You can also set your temperature on that same control for this unit. Okay, so that's going to be a little demonstration for this 60-inch Undercounter refrigerator. If you're interested in one of these items, simply go on our website, coolerdepot.usa.com. We'll update more information on the website, including the exact price for this model unit. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call and we'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.